What a lovely surprise. What a lovely surprise for you to come here while I sleep. What a nice surprise. What a nice surprise for you to appear in my dreams. For when the sun is down, I am here left alone, thinking way too much. And I'm used to going to the good old times when I didn't speak enough. What a lovely night. What a lovely night. We're all out here together like we used to be. And I love you in spite. Yeah, I love you in spite of you being just a face in my dreams. And I really wish you were real, 'cause when the moon goes down, that's when I see you and stop tripping through my dreams. 'Cause I lose you in my thoughts just when I need you. I don't wanna chase you, I just wanna make you real. What a lovely night. What a lovely night. I am speaking in tongues, and I love a few lies. What a special night. What a special surprise. I am breathing and I'm feeling fine. Every single person I know has places to go, but I'm doing jack shit. I'm just waiting to decompose. I see the sad picture of what I'll become. Not much time left to die young. I'm haunted by the failures yet to come. They keep telling me that I'm not doing enough, time flies by, and I can't even drive. I'd rather die than become your average guy. Whoa. I know where we go when we die. Everybody goes to that place that I like to call lost and found. Everything must flow in the lost and found. I hate to see you leave, but you must go. In another 100 years, we'll meet again. There we will make love where the armchairs are. Just your skin on the tacky leather sofa. I'm caught up in a line, always people in the way. No one blocked by many blades can get around them, it's too late. Sad part is it doesn't matter, it's just easier to forget. Nothing here makes sense, it just makes sense away. I don't wanna be alone. That's what everyone says, but I'm doing quite fine on my own. Even though we all hope for more, I am caught in a storm, the wind blows cold, cold, cold. Paul and Francis cry a lot, they're together but feel alone. Catch a glimpse in the white of a shape that feels warm. I might go have a talk, share a story, make it along. But what's the point of making up if I know we'll have to flow? I can see in this old mirror that my face hasn't changed a bit. After all the lips I've been through, I still have this apathetic look. I wasted rum. I am waiting for no passion, just taking everything as it comes. I know where we go when we die, and the lost and found with all the other stuff. They don't get lost, you just wonder, 'cause everything must flow. Well, now I see what you've done to me. Through all the vagueness, sedimentations and burned ground you left behind. And honestly, no matter how loud you cry, how loud you shout, how quietly, be loud enough. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. And now I see before me all the innocence transformed into puppets of your forlorn show. And I believe for a moment more than I ever truly did, but right here No, 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 no. I am singing out of anger, even at this. And now I see what's left on me. Scar, tissue, for which I'm grateful, and the knowledge that I am free.